We are live now. We are live now. Awesome. Yes, here we go. Let me know where you're watching us from in the comment section below. Where are you watching us from? Okay? Where are you watching us from? In let me know in the comment section below. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Hello. If you are live with us now, let me know in the comment section. I can see Pundit from India. I can also see Chandrak from India as well. I can see Ra from India. Awesome. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Yes. Let me know in the comment section if you where you're joining from. I need more persons to before we get started. Where are you watching from? India, Ghana, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, South Africa, Pakistan, you know. Okay. Alright, alright, alright. I can see Akinwumi from Ekiti, Nigeria. Okay. Alright, so while we wait for others to join us, let's kick off to this session. Right, I'll be keeping track of the Euro USD market today. We'll be looking into gold as well, and if time permits, to look into USD JPY. All right, so let's do this. First, we want to understand the market structure on Euro USD. Okay. So here we're trying to map out levels of support and resistance. Okay, and here first we've been able to identify that the Euro USD market on a 1 hour time frame, it's in the downtrend. All right, and on this chart we are also able to identify levels of support and levels of resistance. Okay, which is what we can see here. Here is a level of resistance. Here is a level of support. It's also turned resistance here when price broke out from this support level. Okay, price broke out from this support level and support became resistance, as we can see here. Okay, now a new support level was created, which is here. Let me mark it out with yeah. So a new support level was created, which is here. Okay, and we can see that, we expect that the level should hold here, but obviously from what we can see that price broke out of the support level finally after trying it several times here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then price finally broke out from here. All right, now that price has broke out from here, we see price reverting back. Okay, now price reverting back up, shows that there are some bullish momentum coming in. Okay, now price successfully broke through the support turned resistance region, because before, when stuff like this occur, when a price level is consistently resisting price and after a final breakout, we expect a retest, all right, and then a continuous fall in price. But something different played out here, that price retested the previous support turned resistance region now, and instead of it to still be firm as a resistance region, we can see that price was able to break through it, okay, back up, and obviously now we can see price rising. Okay, you can see price rising. All right, so where next does price have a potential of going? Price has a potential of going to the next resistance level. Okay, the next resistance level. Before the next resistance level, there is a minor resistance level here, as you can see, a minor resistance level here. So we would see price rallying up to this level, taking a break, going through and coming here. Now here is a key level that we are to watch. Why is it a key level? Because it has been, we observe that price had a footprint prior to now at those levels. Okay, price has a footprint prior to now at those levels. All right, so observing and following this pattern, we expect that price would not just easily go through here, but might first create a rally. Price might first rally at this region, okay, before deciding the next direction. Okay, that's it. So let's go down to lower time frame so that we can see a more closer look into what is currently happening. All right, the current state of the market. So don't forget, these are the areas we mapped out, areas of support here, areas of support that was broken through, and then another break out into to the upside. So let's look at this region closely. So we can see here how price has been rallying upward. Okay, now if you look closely at each of these candles here, the last three candles are very significant if you are going to watch out, for what's next or what's going to happen next. The last three candles are very, very significant in this game. So here, we can see, sorry, let me just delete this. We can see here that there is a bullish armor. All right, a bullish armor, with so much wick to the downside. That wick shows pressure, the presence of pressure, okay, is what creates this wick to the downside, the presence of pressure. All right, then we can see that this was followed by a full-bodied candlestick, as you can see. Okay, now this is giving us that confirmation of a bullish presence, right? It's giving us that confirmation of a bullish presence. So you see this wick to the downside pushing price, or which means price came down here, but the buy pressure was much and it pushed it back, creating this bullish armor. Then we now followed by a fully bodied bullish candle. All right, now currently forming is this. So but when you look at the last three candles here, 1 2 3, it's signifying a buy pressure. The market, the Euro USD market is gathering a buy pressure, which is being expressed on charts on this candlestick, as we can see. Okay, so here now is giving us that bullish momentum vibes, saying okay, the bulls are preparing, okay, to take over. Okay, now let's go down to the daily time frame. Let's go down to the daily time frame. So you can see what happened here, that price actually rallied good. So you can see that price actually rallied at this level. Okay, price rallied at this level. Went up, and we can see that this bullish candle broke out of this rally. This is a daily time frame. All right, the bullish candle broke out of this rally, and we can see price still consolidating up here. All right, so interestingly for us, if you are a swing trader, then you want to swing the market. I don't know how far you want to swing the market, but you want to swing the market here as your first TP level, or up here as your second TP level. All right, so now you want to take profit here, or you want to take profit here. Okay, and that's it. So when we look at it now in a daily time frame, we can see that the daily time frame is is that time frame that is suitable for position traders or swing traders, you know, who want to hold their trades for a longer period of time. However, people who are intraday traders and also want to take advantage of trades within the day can also pay attention to the daily time frame, okay? But more importantly, the 4 hours time frame is suitable for intraday traders. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Good. So we can see how price actually rallied here, and finally it broke price broke out of this rally. This rally started immediately after the price broke through the resistance zone. So when price broke through the resistance zone, it rallied, okay, when came up here, went up, and still rallying. But what do we expect here? The momentum around this chart is a bullish momentum. So when you look closely, you will discover that price is also consolidating within this region. Okay, price also consolidating within this region. All right. So as price is consolidating within this region, the next breakout out of this region here now, the next breakout out of here, market goes up, and the next target line would be as far as here. Okay, that will be the next target line. When price breaks out of this little consolidation, then the next target line is here. Okay, so that is what you should be looking at. Okay, those are the possibilities. You should be expecting on the 4 hours time frame, Euro USD. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame now. So on the 1 hour time frame, you would see clearly how price is actually consolidating here. All right. So you want to see price break out of this region. All right. So which means that you can set your buy stop above this region a little. You can set your buy stop here. So when price just goes up, then your buy is triggered. Most importantly, when you are trading, always take into consideration when you are trading, always take into consideration your stop loss. Okay, because your stop loss and take profit level are very, very important to your trade. Okay, your stop loss and take profit level are very, very important to your trades. Okay, so what I do when it comes to setting my stop loss is I look at the closest um, resistance level or support level. So if I'm setting my buy stop here on a 1 hour, depending on my capital, okay, I can move my stop loss. If I'm trading with a small capital, then I can move it here, okay. And if I'm trading with a large capital, then I can move my stop loss down here. So if I'm trading with a large capital, I can move my stop loss farther away from my entry level. All right. So you when setting your stop loss, you need to look at what capital are you playing with in the market. Okay. So if you have a larger fund and you are using a smaller lot size, you can cover a larger distance, okay, by setting your stop loss away from your entry level. But the moment have a small fund, then you need to mind your stop loss, because that is the area that actually um, that's the area that brings losses. Okay, when you use a larger lot size to trade, okay, it can actually impact your trade. A larger lot size can actually impact your trade. All right, good. So what else again? That is it. So if you have any question with what I've just explained, please do well to ask in the comment section now. If you have any question, do well to ask in the comment section. All right. All right. I'm waiting. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. If you have any question, do well to ask in the comment section. I'm waiting. No, like I won't determine how much percentage of capital you should use in the market. That depends on you, okay? Because that depends on how much you are willing to play with in the market, right? How much you are willing to trade with, okay. So but if you want to put in if you put, no matter the amount of your capital, it is important that you don't risk more than 1% of your capital on a trade, okay. Max 2%, but to be on the safer side, 1% of your capital, you should not risk more than 1% of your capital on a single trade. So which means if you take a single trade and it taps your stop loss was triggered, it should not exceed 1%, okay. It should not exceed 1%. And don't ever think, oh, stop loss is not important. No, that is where your losses start, from your decision. When you decide not to use stop loss, the market will teach you a big lesson, okay. So stop loss becomes very paramount, all right, and important. All right, so let's analyze the gold market. Interesting moves on gold this week. Interesting move on gold. So here we have gold, and from what we can see, you know, the gold has been creating some moving within the support and resistance level. So we can see that for the first time in 2011, yes, for the first time in 2011, gold printed at 1910, 1910 price level. All right, and in 2020, gold went as high as $2,074. Okay, and in 2022, gold touched that same region as 2020. Now in 2021 and 23, we can see gold rising, towards that direction. Interestingly, these are key levels of resistance zones. Key levels of resistance zones that we should watch. Okay? Key levels of resistance zones that we should watch. So here we can see some bullish momentum coming in on gold in the last 2 months. So down to the weekly time frame. We can see clearly that there are still bullish momentum coming in on gold. All right, after gold broke into this region, the support region, after gold broke into the support region and rising upward. All right, we can see gold on its way to $1,991. We get, that's where we see gold rising to. Okay, gold. So we can see the price of gold moving upward to touch the next resistance level. Yes. So let's look at the daily time frame. So what we can see here now is gold is making its way up to touch here. Okay, possibly rally back a bit and come up to touch here. That the possible move of gold is this. All right, because definitely gold is at this level now, a minor resistance level. Okay, but one that it would most likely break through. It's a minor resistance level, and gold would make its way up to 199, okay, and then come back a bit and later move up, to 2000 region, 2K region and above. So that's where from our analysis we see gold going. So if you are looking to swing through your trade, you can swing this on the buy side. Okay, so for intraday traders, now let's look at the 4 hours time frame. So you can see the region where gold is currently playing in right now. Okay, so it has entered into the support region. Now the support region turned resistance region. Okay, has entered through it. Okay, so if today's candlestick on daily time frame closes, let me show you this. If today's candlestick closes above here and does not come down to this level, if it closes above where it is now or above it, all right, then the next candle would be bullish. So let's go back to the 4 hours time frame. So yeah, if this candle closes here or above, then the next candle will just rally here and most likely make its way up. So if you are actually looking to position yourself to get on gold, you need to look through this region. Alright? Look through this region and see what happens within this region. Whatever happens within this region determines the next direction of gold. Alright? If you are trading within the day, intraday trader. Alright? So because 4 hours is suitable for intraday traders. Alright? 4 hours is suitable for intraday traders. So yeah, if you have any question with regards to analysis on gold, you can ask your question. You can ask your question in the comment section. Okay, what about the 30 minutes time frame? Okay, let's check that out. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour time frame, then we'll look at the 30 minutes time frame. Alright, so you can see on the 1 hour time frame that if you can see on the 1 hour time frame where price keeps rallying within the range of that resistance level. Now the interesting thing I want you to know is that when price leans consistently on a particular level, okay, there is a higher chance that price would break out in the direction where price is leaning onto. So you can see how price is leaning upward here. So there is a higher chance that price will break out upward. Intraday trader means trader who trade within the day. All right. Swing trader is trader who holds their trade. Their trade can last for weeks, can last for months. Okay. Position traders equally also hold trades for months, weeks. All right. Intraday traders are traders who trade just within the day. They don't hold trades overnight. Okay. So, let's look at 30 minutes. 30 minutes time frame. So, like, almost similar case applies in the 30 minutes time frame. All right. So we see price still rallying at the support and resistance zone, and the price is above that level currently now. So like I said, once price comes out of this triangle, all right, then price keeps moving forward, upward. Okay, yeah. So, any question from what we've just talked about, from what we just analyzed? Any question? From what we just analyzed, any question? Okay, so briefly let's look at USD JPY. Yes, USD JPY. Some interesting charts on USD JPY. So interestingly, watching USD JPY on the monthly time frame, we can see clearly that the market broke through a major resistance zone, all right, rallied up into a region it has never gotten to in the last years, right? So which is from 2007 up until 2022, we never saw USD JPY rise to this point before. So of course, when price gets to a level it has never gotten to before, when you look at the left side and you see that there is too many rooms to the left, like we have here, okay, there is too many room to the left, then you are expecting a reversal. There is no way the price cannot be sustained up like that. Price will always fall when it gets into a region it has never gotten to before in a long time. And when you look at the left, when you count 12 candles to the left, it has not gotten there in a past 12 candles to the left, then price will definitely reverse from there. So not now talk of that it has never gotten there before since USD JPY has been trading. So we can see that there's too many rooms to the top, and when price came to this level, price fell. So this level now is now quite significant, because when price comes to that level again, most likely there will be a short, and there will be a sell-off on this level. Okay, so now we can see price falling down. So price at this level now, so price is coming to check out this level. Okay, So what we are expecting here now is to see price finally touch this place. Okay, if ever price would rise again, then there would be a rally here. Okay, price might rally its way upward or rally its way downward. Okay, but for the time being now, price is finding its way downward. All right, on the monthly time frame. Let's look at what the weekly time frame is saying. So as you can see also that on the weekly time frame, look at the last three candles. Okay, they've been severely bearish. And look at this week's candle as well. It's already forming a bearish hammer. Okay, which tells that price is coming to touch these levels. Whoever is scalping or intraday trading can take advantage of this to short the market down to this level. Okay, then let's look at the daily time frame. So you look at what the market is saying on the daily time frame here. All right, look at what the market is saying on the daily time frame here. So we are expecting that what price falls further from here. So because when price wants to fall further, it rallies, but definitely it leaves a sign. And here is the sign. You can see the big wick on the daily time frame. The big wick coming from yesterday. Okay, so which means that there will be a further fall down to this region. Okay, so here we are expecting to short the market if you are an intraday trader. All right, if you are an intraday trader, yes. Good. So based on this, does anyone have any question? Does anyone have any question? I've opened the floor for questions. If you have questions, please do well to ask. Any question? The key thing when you are trading or before trading, number one, you need to ask yourself, what is the current market level? All right, the level via which market is currently is very important. Okay, then where are the levels of demand and support zones? Those are important as well. All right, so setting my entry here, your entry can be market entry, like entering the market immediately. Okay, your entry can be waiting for further confirmations on the 1 hour time frame if you are an intraday trader. Okay, or setting a sell order below here. You set a sell order, so when price falls to this level and keeps falling, so your sell order triggers and it falls here and you take profit. Okay, and that's it. I believe you all have got value from this session, and definitely I look forward to seeing you in our next session. Please do well to click the subscribe button on this YouTube channel and share with your friends. We have educative content every time on our channel, on the OctaFX channel. Please do not forget to join in and also invite others to join in next week. Thank you very much for joining.